Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can fix Adobe Reader DC connection error. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step, you simply need to go on to the Google and search for Adobe Reader, download, hit enter, and you can select any website. So this is the official one, so I'm going to click on that, and you can easily download from here. So if you want, you can install this with that. Click on download and it will start downloading in few seconds, and after that it will be available for you to use. But let's suppose you are downloading that and you are facing an error. So how you can fix from here, you simply need to search for Microsoft Store. So search your Microsoft Store, open that, and you need to search for Adobe Reader here. So let me copy from here first. Okay, go onto the Microsoft Store and search for that. So here it is, and you can easily install from here. As you can see, I already installed. So let me show you, and here you can see that now it is working fine. You can open anything. So this is the process by which you can fix Adobe Reader DC connection error. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.